Hi, fifth graders. Let's go over our vision board Google slide project so you know exactly what you have to do for this project over the next few days. To this point, you should have already created your bubble map. And if you have not created your bubble map, you want to take some time to start brainstorming some of those ideas about yourself. The whole idea is for you to come up with some personal goals about yourself and how you want to and where you want to see yourself in the next year and the coming years. Just think about yourself in a very positive way. One of our reasons for doing this is to get our mindset ready and geared up for our school year, as well as I'm teaching you the different Google tools that we will use throughout fifth grade. So take a moment, brainstorm some things about yourself, and then I'm going to explain this in a little bit more detail. So here are the directions. In this project, you will create a vision board for your future. Vision boards should be put in place where you'll see them daily and encourage you to visualize and work towards your goals in life. Adjust it as you wish and just kind of keep that background the same when you're working on it, but you are going to be adding all the different pictures or stickers or quotes that relate to you and how you see yourself. So here are some requirements. You want to try to make a picture of yourself. You can take it using the camera on the computer, or maybe you want to upload it a different way. Your name needs to be on there. You want at least 2 inspirational quotes. And then I want you to find at least 20 pictures, 2 for each of the areas that you created on your bubble map. If you have a hard time coming up with 2 for each of the pictures or each of the areas on your bubble map, get creative and just think a little bit out of the box. But I am looking for 20 pictures that describe you in some way and how you are setting some goals for yourself. Now, this part is optional. You can put text boxes that describe what pictures you're adding, but it is not required. And make sure, of course, it is school appropriate. So that's how you make the Google slide. The first step that you need to now do in order to get that Google slide ready is click here for your student copy. Once you make your copy, you're going to add your name. Add your first name, your last name, and your class number. So you'll do that here in the title box by double clicking where it says copy of student virtual vision board. Just double click it, and you should be able to then type in your first and last name and number. From here, you will start to see all the different pieces. This is just the first cover. Then you have the example. And again, this is going to be your board that you actually spend some time adding all your information to. This is where you're going to find the pictures. So based on whatever you put on your bubble map, let's say we want to talk about travel and you have you plan one day or hope one day to travel to Alaska or somewhere, Mount Everest, I don't know, wherever you want to travel. You can then insert an image based on what you found. So insert image, and you can search the web. If you have one that you've already saved to your computer, you can always do that. And this pulls up on the side. And let's say I want to do Alaska. I want to find images of Alaska that might be helpful. And I can just pull in a picture of the map. And just clicked it and drag it over. You want to use your resizing options, and that's just one way you can use this tool here to change the position of it. Let's say for health, I want to go hiking more. So let's look up hiking and see what I can find. Oh, this is a beautiful picture. So I'm going to pull in this one because it shows that for my health, that I would also like to go hiking more. And you can resize them, but your goal is to try to get 20 pictures based on all the things that you put on your bubble map. And your bubble map is really just for you to help you plan and to think about what pictures you want to add to your vision board, so you could set those goals and see where you are forward thinking. So that's all that you need to do for your vision board. And then tomorrow you'll work on paragraphs that tell a little bit about your visions. Let me know if you have any questions.